Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your OPPO Pad Air louder. So, at the start, we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume app or volume booster and choose one of them. I'm always using the Goodiv app, so we have to open it and click OK. Now the feature, the tool is active, and if you want to boost your volume power, just slide it to right. You can see the 60% is max, so as you set your needs, and just tap on the screen, and the tool is still active at the background. If you want to disable it, open the background apps and kill it here, or just open it, click stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.